Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the separation of variable. Today we have the equation x times the quantity v squared minus 1 dv plus quantity v cubed minus 3v times dx equals to 0. So first, we are going to transform this equation into the general form of separation of variable, which is ax dx plus by dy equals 0. So first, we are going to divide both sides of this equation by v cubed minus 3v. So x v squared minus 1 dv plus v cubed minus 3v dx equals to 0 divided by v cubed minus 3v. So it will become v squared minus 1 dv over v cubed minus 3v plus dx equals 0. So in this equation, we will multiply both sides by 1 over x. So this will be 1 over x. So when we multiply this 1 over x to this equation, we will have to cancel this x here. So it will become v squared minus 1 dv over v cubed minus 3v plus, if we will multiply this 1 over x to 1 dx, it will become 1 over x dx equals, any number multiplied by 0 is equivalent to 0. So here we go. This equation can be separated. So we have a separable equation here. So the next thing we will do is to integrate this equation. So we will have the integration of v squared minus 1 over v cubed minus 3v dv plus integration of 1 over x dx equals to 0. So we can also move this 1 over x dx to the left side so we can see clearly the result of this equation. So we will have this v squared minus 1 over v cubed minus 3v dv equals negative integration of 1 over x dx. So here, the integration of 1 over x is equal to ln, negative ln x plus c. So here, this equation cannot be easily integrated, so we will use let u. So we will let this equation, so v cubed minus 3v equals u. So the derivative of this equation is 3v squared minus 3. So we will divide both sides by 3, so we can get the derivative of the v squared minus 1 here. So divide both sides by 3. So 1/3 du is equivalent to v squared minus 1. So here it is. So we can transpose this one into this. We will have du over u 1/3 equals negative ln x plus c. So, we will integrate this one, so it will become 1/3 ln u plus c1 equals negative ln x plus c2.
So let's recall the natural logarithmic function, which is ln ab is equals to ln a plus ln b, and ln a to the power of n is equals to n ln of a. So from these properties of natural logarithmic function, we will come up with the equation ln u 1/3 plus ln x equals to c, which c1 which is c is equals to c1 minus c2. So let's transform this equation into this property, which is ln cube root of u multiplied by x equals to c. Then let's substitute u, which is v cube minus 3v. We'll come up with ln cube root of v cube minus 3v multiplied by x equals to c. Then let's recall a property of a natural exponential function, which is e to the power of ln x equals to x. Let's multiply this equation from the properties of exponential function, which is e ln x equals to x, which is ln of cube root v squared minus 3v times x equals to e to the c. Then by these properties, e to the ln is equals to each x. So we come up with the equation will be cube root of v cube minus 3v x equals to e to the c. So we'll divide both sides with cube root of v squared minus 3v to get our value of x, which is dividing both sides with cube root of v squared minus 3v. So the value of our x equals to e to the c over cube root of v cube minus 3v, which is our final answer.